My name is Sarah O'Neill. I'm currently the Customer Experience Manager at Workhuman. I'm a graduate of the Masters in Management of Operations at DCU. This Masters was brilliant for me. It was so flexible, which was a huge factor, especially since I was working full-time and I have an incredible son who was 2 at the time. This Masters felt like it was tailored for real-world schedules, offering anybody with drive and ambition a path towards achieving a master's degree. Completing the Masters has had such a positive impact on my career. So many great opportunities have been and continue to be made open to me. The programme's main strength is the flexibility that it gives to the student, along with the scope of the subject areas. From project and change management to strategy and analytics, it's a very well-rounded programme, giving anybody who decides to take it on valuable, real-world knowledge, which can be applied in so many different industries. Doing the course remotely was really essential, but I'm a people person and I'm energised by having people around me. Others felt the same, and we managed to organise some meetups to connect and study and have many healthy debates about some of the content that we were working through. Despite being a demanding 2 years, the reward, a master's degree, was worth every hour of study. Where to next? Well, I'm a really ambitious person and I intend to continue to grow professionally. I truly believe in lifelong learning, and it's something Workhuman actively encourages. I'm looking into the possibility of undertaking a PhD, but I haven't been brave enough to take that on yet. What's brilliant is this programme has given me the option to pursue that. I absolutely would and already have recommended this programme. I can't explain how delighted I was when I achieved my qualification.